Hey, welcome back. How's my angle here? Anyway, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Naturally Latree. I'm about to put my hair up real quick in a high puff. It's gonna be a cute, messy hair day. Y'all, I'm really liking this Fenty hot chocolate. I really like it. Look at the shine. And it smells so good. But I'm getting ready to do my hair up, like I say, in a cute, messy puff, cute, messy hair day. People, if you didn't know messy hair could be cute, now you know. Okay, so what I'm going to be using is this Eco Styler. This is the black castor oil flaxseed gel. Flaxseed oil gel. Then my edge wax by Murray's. That's pretty much all I need. And my handy dandy headband and my hairbrush. And one more thing. My 360 mist sprayer. Yeah, my 360 mist sprayer. Okay. So let me get it started. First, we're gonna start by taking the band. Put it around your neck. Don't choke yourself. And lock it there. Just brace it there on the chin area. Then don't forget to dab the brush with a little bit of warm water. That will get you started on the perimeter of your head, of your hair. The perimeter is the outer round surrounding edge of anything. So I'm going to start by brushing up around the perimeter of my head, my hairline. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy 360 mist sprayer and I'm going to spray. And this spray is awesome. It lasts and it just extends out and it doesn't give you trigger thumb because you just press down and you hold. Okay. Once I have a light mist around my head, I'll take my brush again and I'll continue to brush up in an upward position. And as I do this, my hair will start to lay smooth. And I'll take and I'll embrace the hair into the palm of my hand, holding the hair in a upward position. Then I'll take some hair gel and I'll take it between my fingertips as so, and I'll apply it to the perimeter of my head onto my hairline, onto the hair strands, laying it, smoothing it, and molding it upward into the desired look. And I'll continue to brush upward and upward and upward. And I'll take some of my Murray's and I'll take it between my fingertips and I'll rub it a little into the palm of my hand and I'll apply it to my hair. Smoothing along the hairline, the perimeter of my head. Then back to the handy dandy brush, palm brush, hard bristle, which I love. It massages and manipulates as I brush, gives that nice jingly tingly feeling. Get a little itch, it'll take care of it. All right. And as you see, it is starting to lay. And just apply a little bit here and there as desired of the edge control as well as the gel. And as you do so, you'll find that you are achieving the desired look or the desired smoothness that you are desiring for your natural hair. Natural hair tends to be quite curly in some people's for some people's hair texture. As for me, I have somewhat of a tighter hair curl texture. My natural hair texture, my natural curl pattern is somewhat of a tighter texture. So to smooth it, I just brush and I smooth, and this is a wonderful way to do this without applying any heat. Okay. So you do not have to, the more moist, do not do anything to your hair. Do not manipulate when your hair is dry. The more moisture you have, the easier it is to manipulate. But as I brush and I smooth, I'll take the palm of my hand and I'll feel, does that feel smooth to me? Yeah, I think it does. And then I'll take I'll decide, how do I want my hair to lay? Do I want it higher, lower? Do I want it more just centered in the crown of my head? Do I want it to the left? Do I want it to the right? Determine that. And as you slide your headband up onto your head, you will take your hand and slide and mold and smooth as you go. And when you feel like this is the occipital bone, and then you slide and you get it to the desired place, you just lock it there. That's the back. And then as you take the front, you determine, do you want it wider? Do you want it slimmer? Do you want it to the left, right, or whatever? Do you want more hair flowing to the front of your face? Do you want it pushed back? That's where you brace the rest of your headband. Now be cautious, because this can tend to be a little tighter when positioned on certain parts of your head. So find the comfort spot for yourself. If the headband that you're using is too tight, because I doubled mine, I know the comfort. Mine's take a double. Some ones may take no double. I don't know. Doubling the band, some may. I can't see people needing more than 2 doubles. But anyway, depends on the size of the band. Now, determine how much volume you want in the hair. That is where this handy dandy purple plastic hair pick comes in. And I'll take it. See, right now it's, it got a little flow and fun to it, but I want it to be a little more volume. So I'm going to take down into the roots, into the root of the hair, down deep in there. Not so much to disturb what's going on here, because this is being applied and done over a twist out that is days long. You know, like 2-3 days that the twist have been taken out prior to the twist being in all over for maybe a week. So this hairstyle is turning into 3 styles from one twist out, from one head of twist. So what I want to do, I want to shape it, but I do not want to disturb it. So just take lightly and just position and frame it to the face. Frame it to the face. Do you want more on the side? Do you want to make sure the back is neat? So you take the hand and you just feel to get an idea of how even it is across there. Then you just take and you pull, not too much, but just directing. You just direct it, and then if you want it wider, do you want to show a little more forehead? Do you want to cover all of the forehead? Do you want to give it a little side slide? Just shape it. Play with it till you get the desired look that you are looking for. And remember, just to give it a little volume by taking the handy dandy pick and just going deep in there and just tugging just a little, not by pulling, just tug, just a little, you know. So as I say, I think I am getting the desired look. Like, it's a cute messy hair day. Not a lot that I'm aiming for here. I'm going to take my mirror. I'm going to look at the back, see what I can see. Am I liking what I see? And for the most part, I am. So if you want to apply some oil sheen or any other kind of oil to your hair, just take a little bit. This is going to be some olive oil that I have here, olive miracle oil. And I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to dab it around just a smidge it. Just a smidge it. And I'm going to push that up a little bit because I want it to just be. And that's going to give me a little more volume at the same time by pushing it up. And just dabbing and patting. And just ta-da! 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 Yeah. So, whatever else you want to do to make yourself comfortable, just do it. Do it, do it, do it. You can put your mind to it. Okay, so I'm not going to disturb it any more than that. I'm going to go ahead, apply a little bit of my eyeshadow because I just think that's just going to make my eyes do a little peekaboo through a little bit more. This is my all favorite. Just a cute, or just a smidget. Just to make my eye pop and peek through a little bit. Y'all, I am looking in the mirror as I am doing this. But I'm not ignoring you. So this is, just because it gives such a natural look, makes those eyes pop like I like. This is the, once again, Infallible $9.97. Okay. Let's see. With me having my hair, you could take a little bit down from the peaks of the side if you want, but I don't want to disturb any more. Let's see. And then I'm going to find me some earrings, which I know which ones I'm going to wear today. But just to show you a little bit of what's going on here, I'm going to just put on these, just to show you how much it just picks up and makes everything come together a little bit more by applying some earrings. And ta-da, I'm cute, I feel cute, got me a cute messy hair day. And don't forget, keep them lips glossy. Yeah, keep them lips glossy. Smile. And you gonna be as cute as you want to be.